The bird life at all the Pilanesberg camps is exceptional. It is not unusual for keen birders to see over 100 different species in one single day or over a weekend. The crimson-breasted boo-boo is always a favorite. Equally colourful is the violet-eared waxbill. And let's not forget the violet-backed starling. The female is not half as glamorous as the male. The lilac-breasted roller is another favorite. Bee-eaters are among the most beautiful birds in South Africa. The white-fronted bee-eater and the little bee-eater can be seen the whole year round. The carmine bee-eater, a migrant from Central Africa, can be seen in the hot summer months. The European bee-eater, all the way from Europe, is also a common summer visitor. Many birds seek the safety of the rest camps to build their nests and to raise their offspring. The paradise flycatcher often breeds near the information center at Manyani camp. The Cape robin chat hides its nest in low shrubs. Most breeding birds have a way to keep their nest clean. Each time they feed their chicks, they remove the chicks' droppings and any other dirt that may have accumulated. Here, an olive thrush is shaking the lining of its nest to check for parasites. One of the few birds that does not clean its nest is the African hoopla. It is well known for its unhygienic habits. Closely related to the African hoopla are these green hooplas. With their long bills, they are able to reach insects living deep inside tree stumps. They have a remarkable defense system to ward off predators trying to invade their nesting site. They are able to manufacture a chemical substance that smells revolting, enough to discourage any would-be predator. They are the only birds to have evolved a chemical defense system. It is easy to see why weaver birds are normally regarded as the champion architects when it comes to nest building. But how about this? This is the nest of a little bird known as a Penduline Tit. It has a false entrance to fool any would-be predators. The real entrance is here.